A world first as Aston Martin debuts next-generation Apple CarPlay Ultra. Two global brands. One prestigious partnership. Aston Martin and Apple have aligned their design philosophies to equip drivers with an intuitively connected future. This is the global launch of Apple CarPlay Ultra, making its first appearance on Aston Martin supercar of SUVs DBX707 and across all new core models. Shown on DBX707, CarPlay Ultra offers a seamless experience across the central display, and for the first time, the driver instrument cluster. Innovatively displaying key vehicle information and allowing users to control vehicle functions through bespoke Aston Martin and CarPlay Ultra features. After a simple one-time-only iPhone setup, CarPlay Ultra activates automatically on ignition to offer drivers the same levels of integration, connectivity, and control as within their native Aston Martin UI and UX systems. Multi-display integration. CarPlay Ultra extends beyond the central infotainment screen into the driver instrument cluster. Apple Maps now elegantly extends into the driver's display, placing vital information precisely where it's needed, while media and wallpapers flow across both screens. This new era of driver-centric interface design presents essential vehicle information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, gear selection, and key advanced driver assistance systems. Alerts such as tire pressure warnings appear as pop-ups in situ, ensuring vital updates remain instantly accessible. Integrated vehicle controls. CarPlay Ultra provides revolutionary access to the vehicle's core system controls such as heating and ventilation, 3D camera views and advanced parking systems, audio settings, dynamic vehicle configurations, and active safety systems. Instrument cluster personalization. CarPlay Ultra offers curated personalization options, allowing users to choose from a considered collection of Aston Martin or Apple-inspired graphics. IP choices include classic twin-dial or innovative power bar themes. Drivers are able to choose between colors, textures, and patterns, including gradients, landscapes, and topographical options for each theme. For the latest updates, stay tuned only on Automotive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow this channel together. Thank you. See you next time.